Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over the merger between TRNE Acquisition and Desktop Metal. Now this merger is valued, I believe, at right around $2 billion, and if you don't know what Desktop Metal does, basic printing 3D parts. Now this company has 4 different systems when it comes to printing. You can see here that they have systems ranging from a small printer that could go on your desktop to a massive production system that's more meant for factories. They also have something in between that's more meant for an office, and then something in between the office and the largest one. This would be more meant for maybe a small business or something of that sort. Obviously, the majority of their money is going to be made with that largest production system because it's going to be selling for the largest price and because it's likely going to be going to companies that need a lot of them. Their targeted industries, as you can see, are the electric vehicle space, next generation defenses, personal and commercial aviation, green energy, robotics, and space exploration. And I actually did a video on a lot of electric vehicle stocks, as well as a recent space exploration stock. And I'll put links to those videos in the description down below, and I'll pop them up in the top right corner of your screen right now. Now, this is an industry that's really taking off right now, and I think this is mostly due to the fact that they can make these parts for a lot cheaper. Along with that, it's also more carbon footprint favorable to produce parts in this way, and it allows for more customization of the product depending on the customer and what they want. Once again, though, although they offer customization within their parts, the majority of their business is going to be focused on mass production of these parts for larger companies. According to their projected chart right here, you can see that if you invested today, you would get a 25% compound annual growth rate in terms of the market size, and they expect this market to grow to a $146 billion industry by 2030. Here's what I was talking about just a minute ago, specifically in terms of this energy consumption. You can see compared to the very high, the very low energy consumption of this 3D printing makes it very appealing. Also, in terms of waste production, you can see that there's near zero waste compared to these significant pollutants that come with your traditional manufacturing. I like this chart that they showed in their investor presentation. You can see that their ideas on the left side convey that they hope that through their product they can accelerate the adaptation of the parts in order to create the highest quality of products in the next generation. This shows that they're fine with customers being very critical of their product because they hope that it'll do nothing but make it better. In terms of their projected revenue growth rates, you can see that they have several numbers in the 100%. This is much higher than many of the other companies that I've been going over recently, and honestly, I didn't know that this industry was this big, but it's definitely something that I'm going to take a look at. One of my favorite things to look at with these companies is their management team, and this one is very similar to others that I like to invest in, with experiences in many other big companies such as GE, Dell, Morgan Stanley. I love to see people that have a history of being involved with companies that know what they're doing. Well, that's going to be it for today. I know this is a pretty short video, but it's really hard to find quality stocks right now with the market being so volatile, and especially with these high growth stocks having a series of really red days recently. But if this is something that you're interested in, then I think this is a great stock to introduce yourself into the 3D printing industry. And if you did go on to enjoy today's video, make sure you leave a like down below to let me know. And subscribe while you're down there so you don't miss any other videos like this one. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.